So on this plot, we're sitting on nearly an acre, which out here land doesn't hold quite as much value. But if you look at it, I mean, it's a fenced in backyard sitting on 0.7275 acres. Nice. We're gonna get the grass cut, trim it up. And it's foreclosure, right?
Yeah, $74,000 is on there.
That's
That is huge. I walked it. It's got a big upstairs deck on the back with steps leading up to it. It's got a big bonus. I couldn't get in up there. The garage door is all fucked up, so I was able to walk in. But the inside looks pretty good shape.
Sweet, man.
$74,000. It's 3,174 square foot.
I don't understand why you would build a house like that in an area like this.
That's the biggest part of the puzzle to me on that one is like, it does not look like any other house in the area. It's a massive house, but I mean,
It's banging.
you know what I mean? Looking at the options on it, I mean, it's at a list at 74. If you can get them down about 65 on it, I mean, it's 3,174 square foot. And I believe on that measurement is probably the main house, not the bonus room above the garage.
And that the comps are going to support. I mean, we pulled some comps up. You got houses selling. I mean, nice houses. They're going over 200s.
Might be worth investigating a little bit. That might be a good gold mine. I mean, if
Put 60K into a rehab, or who knows what that thing. It's got a lot of square footage.
I'll tell you, it may need a roof. I know from what I could visually see, some of the fascia was pretty bad, so some of the soffit may be bad. It's going to need a lot of work on the deck. Mostly it's just all
right. So on this plot, we're sitting on nearly an acre, which out here land doesn't hold quite as much value. But if you look at it, I mean, it's a fenced in backyard sitting on 0.7275 acres. Nice. We're going to get the grass cut, trim it up, haul this junk and all the trash and debris off site, and then we'll be good to go for our showing on Saturday. So hopefully we'll be able to entertain a cash offer, maybe make a quick little good lick out of it, but nice little house. I mean, hard to beat it.
Quick little lesson. Never leave tools on the job site.
Yes. That's the lesson I learned the wrong way.
Whenever I'm doing a job site, all my tools are loaded up right there and then.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, I mean, but when you pull an 18-hour day and, you stop sweating 2 hours before you left, you're ready to just get in the AC and get out of the heat.
Yep. Someone took off with his chop saw, showed up today and it was gone.